Michelle, and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this really super cute farmhouse island table. I've already made this table. Now this is like my second time making this table. I made one for my previous home, and I'm making one for the home that I currently live at, since the one for my previous home is still being used for business purposes. So I am going to be sharing with you guys how I made this. It's really super cute, really inexpensive to make, especially for a farmhouse table. And I actually got this idea on Pinterest. I was just scrolling through and trying to look up a really cute, inexpensive table that I can make that can comfortably fit me and my kids, and if I have guests and things like that. So I decided to make this farmhouse table. And I got this idea on Pinterest from a blog, I believe it's Warm and Cozy Home. And they have a very detailed video, and y'all, like the first time I made this, I was using their video detail by detail, but I did kind of tweak the table for this particular project just because I wanted more of a bar height island farmhouse table. I didn't want a low farmhouse table. For this apartment, I wanted more of a bar filled, so I did kind of tweak the plans just a little bit to kind of fit my style. But if you guys want more of a farmhouse table, be sure to check out their link. I'll have it down below if you want to watch their video, and they show you how to make the exact farmhouse table, which I've made before, but they have more details if you want to do that, because I did tweak a few things. Anywho, so in this video, a lot of my footage, actually, I don't know what the hell happened to it. I recorded this video quite a long time ago. Well, not a long time ago, but almost a month ago when I first moved into this apartment. And a lot of the footage, I don't know what's wrong with my iPhone. Like, I can't download the footage for some weird reason. So a lot of the footage, I have like clips inserted where I kind of show a diagram that I've made, and I've inserted it in. So I hope that doesn't confuse you guys, but I'll kind of really explain everything so it makes it easy. I also have a cut list and a material list available for you guys down below. If you guys are confused about anything and you need exact measurements and stuff like that, I'll be sure to link that down below, as well as on my blog. Before I get into this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content from me. And without further ado, let's get into it, because I've been rambling too long.
Okay, so for this project, you are going to need 2 pieces of 4x4x10, 3 pieces of 1x4x10, 2 pieces of 1x10x8, 1 piece of 1x10x10, 2 pieces of 2x3x8, 5-inch wood screws, 2-inch wood screws, polyurethane, I hope I'm saying that right, wood glue, a sander, and L brackets, and also a drill. I've also listed the cut list here for you above. So here's what all the pieces look like laid out, and as I mentioned before, some of my footage is missing, so I am going to be inserting some diagrams that I made to make this an easier way to explain. So the first step is to create my frame. So I'm going to be taking 2 of my 70-inch pieces and 5 of my 33.5-inch pieces and laying those out to create my frame. I'm going to use wood glue to glue the sides of each piece and connect them at each end, and I'm also going to screw the pieces in with screws to make sure that everything is secure. So now you want to grab 2 of your 2x3 by 33.5 pieces, and you're going to put those pieces 6 inches from the frame that you made. Make sure that one side lays flush with whichever side that you want to be the top of your table. To secure these places, use glue as well as your wood screws. After securing those 2 pieces, now you want to grab your 37-inch 1x10 long boards and place it at the end with the 1-inch overhang. You're going to actually do this process twice, but you want to make sure you have one end secured first before you secure the other one. Now that you've placed your 37.5-inch piece down, you next want to place down your 1x10 by 53.5-inch boards. You guys do not understand how hard it is to say this stuff, but it's really hard. Anyway, so you want to place those boards down. Make sure you have a 1-inch overhang for the boards that are on the end, and for the center boards, make sure they are nice and snug next to each other. You also want to make sure that you put wood glue on the back of these before screwing them down. Next, you're going to place your last piece of 37.5-inch by 1x10 board down. Glue it and secure it down. After you did this piece, you are almost done. So now it's time to go ahead and flip our table over. Once you flip your table over, grab your 4x4 pieces and go ahead and place one in each corner. Secure the 4x4 pieces with wood screws. You can go ahead and pre-drill holes so it's easier to actually screw these pieces in, and make sure you secure each one of the legs on both corners. Last, you want to flip your whole entire table over and add on the last few pieces, which is the pieces that you can use with L brackets to help secure it. So you're going to place your 2 26.5-inch long pieces in one of your 63.5-inch pieces to make the lovely diagram that I have above. Once you have those pieces down, you want to secure those pieces to the 4x4 pieces with the L brackets, just so the piece is nice and secure and snug. And that's it, guys. You have a nice, beautiful island farmhouse table.
Okay guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content from moi. I will have a ton, and I mean a crap ton, of DIY projects coming up for you guys, because I am redoing everything, or pretty much starting with a clean state on my new apartment, and I'm decorating everything. So I have a whole entire DIY home series that's on my channel, so be sure to check that out. Anywho, if you enjoyed this video, share it with someone that you care about or someone who's looking for some inspiration, and I'll check you out in the next one. Bye.